guys, welcome to Do You Beauty. My name is Danielle and let's get started. So we're going to do a get ready with me and we're going to use the Jaclyn Hill Morphe Palette. You guys can see that. And I thought since it's late in the evening, that we would do maybe like just a natural, subtle kind of look. I'm not going for anything dramatic or anything. So, first things first, I'm going to get a fluffy shading brush. And we're going to go in with this color right here, which is a nice transition shade. Always make sure to tap off the excess. I'm going to put it right in that crease and buff it in. Just buff it in. Buff, buff, buff. Okay. Hold that thought. This brush is dirty, so that worked out nice. I know I shouldn't do this, but who cares? Okay, let's try this again. Let's get a different brush that's not dirty. You're going in with the same shade right here, which is this nice natural beige. It's very pretty. Tapping off the excess, going into the crease. There we go. And buff, buff, buff. Blend, blend, blend. You want to make sure that it's well blended because this is going to be the transition shade for any of the other shadows that we use in this palette. Now I did go ahead and already do my lashes. And I'm not going to do any wing lighter today, which is weird because I usually always do it. This one lash right here is driving me insane. Okay, so get a little bit more on my brush. Buff, blend. So now once you're all blended out, tapping off whatever's on there, let's go into, I got an idea. Let's go into this shade right here, right next to the orange. The one that's right next to the orange right here. Get a little bit on your brush. This is kind of like a yellowish, it's got a yellow undertone to it. Put that right in the crease too. Blend, blend, blend. Blending, blending, blending. Okay, now once that's all blended out, I'm going to take this brown right here. It's got an orange kind of red undertone to it. Get a little bit of that on there. Put this right in the corner. Blending out. Blending out. This lash is driving me nuts. Now, obviously, you guys can make this look more dramatic, more subtle, whatever you guys are feeling. But I'm not really looking for something super dramatic. So, taking this brown right here. You guys can see that. Taking this brown right here. It's a lighter, kind of dusty brown. Tapping off the excess. Just to deepen up that inner or the outer crease or the outer corner a little bit. I don't want to do anything super smoky or dramatic, but just to deepen it up a little bit. And blending it on in. The key is to blend. The more you blend, the more soft your look is going to look. So you can never really blend too much, I don't think. If you blend your colors away, you can always reapply them. But yeah. Okay, so this is really all I'm doing for the lid, just lashes and those 3 colors. Now you can obviously vamp this up, make it look a little darker, it's more smoky. You don't have to use these colors if you want to, but I kind of like the browns because my eyes are green, so the browns are going to complement my eye color, okay? So now with the same colors that we did on the lids, we're gonna go ahead and do on the under eye. Blending out. You want it to all look all symmetrical. I know, it's kind of like with lipstick, you know how you hold your mouth open, like, or when you do your mascara, you're like, I don't know why people do that. I don't know why I do it either, but I think it's just habit. Okay. So now, if you look how it's all blended out, you can see that these lashes, I swear to God, they're gonna be the death of me. Okay, so that's all I'm doing for my eyelids, or for my eyes. So I'm gonna put this away, and then I'm probably not gonna do highlighter or contour or anything because I'm just going over to my family's house, so I mean, they've seen me at my worst, so probably not gonna get too vamped up just because it is a lot to take off later, and the day is half over, so I don't feel that there's a sense to waste it. So you don't have to put your Jaclyn Hill palette back in the bubble wrap, but I do because I have a dog and I have a puppy. So yeah, and it's not going in like it came out. Okay. There we go. Okay, there's that. Okay, so I already concealed with my Shape Tape, and this is what I use. The Tarte Shape Tape is what I use to conceal on my under eyes, and I am in color light and neutral. So this is just something you can do for like your problem areas, you know, if you have any dark circles or anything like that, you can use it to conceal. You can also use it to conceal your eyes too. So let's go ahead, I'm going to do my brows, and I am using the L'Oreal Paris Brow Stylist Frame and Set. It comes in a little paint pot like this, and it's dark brown. The color is Deep Brunette number 215, and I've hit pan, so I need to find me a new one, but I have not yet. Okay, so some people prefer to use pencils, which is fine. I actually prefer to just use this brush to kind of carve out my brows and fill them in, but it's all based on preference, so if you prefer to use the pencil, you are more than welcome to do that. Now, I am not a professional at brows. I make my brows look the way I want them. Everybody's different, so if you have perfect brows, more power to you. I, on the other hand, do not. I've overplucked, I've overwaxed. I mean, at one point in time, I think I even shaved my brows. So I just try to make them look as natural as possible. Now remember, your brows are supposed to be friends, not twins. So you don't want to make them look perfect, or identical rather, but you still want to make them look symmetrical. Okay, so if you can tell how they are not 100% matching, that's actually what you want. You don't want your brows to be identical, or it's gonna throw everything off. People are gonna think that they're gonna know you filled them in. So just touch this up right here. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, there's your brows. Man, this is already a 10-minute video. Alright, so there you go. I'm going to put some blush on, which is the E.L.F. blush palette. There's 4 shades in here. 4 shades. And 4 shades. There's 4 shades. This is more like a bronzer. And then you have a pretty coral shade right here. A darker red, a darker, I guess, pink shade. And then your really, really baby pink light shade. So I think for this look, I'm just going to go ahead and do the dark pink one. Okay, there we go. Make yourself look a little flushed, I should say. Contour a little bit. Give myself some warmth. This contour actually, oh shoot. This blush palette makes me look orange. So I don't want to put too much on there. Alright, there you go. Oh. And then, of course, I'm using E.L.F. Matte Magic, the setting spray. So I'm going to set my makeup. Let it dry. La la. Oh, it's like the best feeling ever. Is when you put your spray on, when you spray your face and it's drying, that cool feeling. So refreshing. Okay, all right guys, so that's it for today's video. I know it wasn't, you know, anything huge or glamorous, so to speak, but just keep in mind, you know, you can always make it look more smoky or more dramatic. You don't have to wear the lashes, you don't have to put eyeliner on. As you saw, I did not. You just gotta make it your own. So alright guys, make sure you guys show me some love down in the comments section. Let me know what you think or what you would like to see in this on this channel. And until next time, bye guys!